May 1st, happy May Day. It's Sunday. That's right. Open house report, single family homes under $1 million, Stamford, Connecticut. We got 18 today. Starting at the top spot, squeaking in just under 1 million at 999,000. A 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. This one is well over 3,500 square feet up in North Stamford. On the lower end of the price point, just under a $500,000 at $499,800. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath down at the Cove. Close to the beach for this one. If you're thinking about selling, you should check out this post right here that I put up a month or two ago. That was to get ready for the spring market. The spring market has come and gone. We are on our way to the summer, and let me tell you, there's no slowing down. The market is hot, hot, hot. Let's get ready to buy some real estate. Open House Sunday. I'm hosting one today. Find Waldo.